Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a stunning Ramadan Lantern Suncatcher Decal. I'm using holographic and rainbow vinyl for this, so stick around to see how it's done. It's easier than you think and the results are magical. I begin by drawing the lantern design in Procreate. I kept the design very simple with clean line art to make it easy to cut later. I used monoline brush for crisp, even lines. Once I was happy with the design, I exported it as a PNG file with transparent background. This step is key for bringing it into the Cricut Design Space. Next, I imported the PNG file into Cricut Design Space. Here, I adjusted the size of the design to fit my Suncatcher Decal dimensions. For this project, I wanted the lantern to be a very small size because I was using my Cricut Joy for this. The ones that I showed previously in the video, they were bigger decals which I created later, but the one that I'm working on, it's a very small design. So once I imported the file in the Cricut Design Space, I created an offset layer and then I contoured the offset layer, and I'll cut the offset layer separately on the rainbow vinyl and the PNG file of the lantern separately on the holographic vinyl. The contour feature fills up the empty spaces in your designs. That's what I did here. So here I'm using holographic vinyl for my main design and rainbow vinyl as a base. I'll cut the vinyl according to the required size. These holographic Suncatcher vinyl decals will be available in my Etsy shop, inshallah, from January 1. For the upcoming Ramadan season, they will act as a beautiful decor and add a festive touch. To prepare, now I place the vinyl shiny side up on the Cricut mat and load it into the machine, and I will let my Cricut Joy do the magic. Here on holographic, I am cutting my main lantern design that I created in Procreate. My design was cut, I carefully removed the vinyl from the mat and placed the rainbow vinyl on the mat for cutting the base of the lantern. I have an Etsy shop where I have multiple of Islamic themed items like the hoodies, the greeting cards, the flashcards for surah cards, kalima cards, which are good for kids as well as the older people. There are many items. If you want to check out my Etsy shop, the link is in the description box below. Here comes the fun part, weeding. As mentioned in my previous videos that I have a love-hate relationship with weeding. Sometimes it's very easy and sometimes it gives really hard time. So here I was showing that the back side of your weeding tool that we get from Cricut has a space where you can keep the weeded vinyl. I tried to keep it, but unfortunately this thing didn't work for me, so I just used my finger to stick the weeded vinyl on. After weeding, I'll use the transfer tape to transfer this lantern design on the backing, and we'll layer it carefully that our design lines up correctly with the backing. This way of attaching the holographic vinyl to the rainbow vinyl as a backing creates a very vibrant, colorful effect when the sun hits it. This step requires some patience to align everything perfectly, but it's worth it. A squeegee or a card works great for smoothing the layers and avoiding air bubbles. After carefully layering this lantern on the backing, we'll peel away the transfer tape and our decal is ready. I wanted to apply it on my window and show you how it looks, but unfortunately Canada these days is very gloomy. There has been no sun since last 3-4 days, and we are expecting sunny day on Friday, the coming Friday. Like, I'm going to publish this video on Wednesday and the Friday is going to be the sunny day, so unfortunately at the moment when I'm recording this video I cannot show that. So here is our beautiful Ramadan Lantern Suncatcher, as you can see in the lamplight. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what would you like to see in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.